Hey friend, welcome back to Total Maintenance YouTube channel. This 2017 Tacoma SR5 is becoming star of this channel with it so much service on it, right? And now I'm finishing the round of replacing those special iridium, right, spark plugs. I started as usually on this side because it's always easier, there's always better access. This is the coil, which is the one before the last, so it's in the middle of this bank. And now I'm going to remove the last spark plug, right? It's the very last one there. But look how the coil looked like, right? There is definitely some blow by coming out of it. I already pulled one of these looking similar. It wasn't so bad. It was again, I believe, the one in middle, and it had a very light in one spot, little bit of brown, so I cleaned it off. And the spark plug was very loose. I will say almost no torque on it, so I don't know if they loosen itself. Look, if you look at them, that's the one. Do you see that ring on top of it? Yeah, that's the one which was blowing by also. So let's go and pull the last one. But I tell you what, I touched it, there was basically zero torque. I could use the 2 fingers and it gave up. That spark plug gave up and was loosened that way. By the way, this engine, this side, it's a nightmare. This is 2017 Taco with, what is it, 2GR-FKS. So the spark plugs on the other side were a breeze. Well, not really. It was a bunch of wires on top of the coils. But look at this. And we will look in that tube, and I think that tube, it's completely brown. So we know these are original spark plugs. It was never changed. The owner kind of forgot, or somebody forgot to tell him that it needs to be done, right? These iridiums, they have a very long interval. They are very expensive, but they have a long interval of 110. And look, the same situation. This spark plug was not tight at all. I could really use a pinky to turn that ratchet, and it gave. This is the blow by, and the white area is where the coil was protecting it, right? So you can see it here. So very interesting. 2017 Taco with completely 2 loose spark plugs. Now I will put the light in that tube, and you can look, it's really brown there, right? It's dirty, and that's probably all I can show you. Look at this, the other one, right? Let's compare it. Look how shiny this one is. It has like a bluish color, right? Beautiful. The one in the back, it's full of blow-by brown color. And purpose of this video is sharing this situation, this info with others, right? So did anybody of you saw that 2GR-FKS doing the spark plugs? Did you find also loose spark plugs in that engine? Because I tell you, each bank had a one which was completely loose. It was just barely sitting there, and the brown stuff was all over the tubes and the coils. So please, if you saw that, share it with others. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, my friend.